Hello, today I'm going to tell you a little bit about the sea glass necklaces slash bracelets that I sell. So in order to adjust these, they have a little bead at the back and you would just simply pull on it and then it makes it shorter, or you can pull it back and it makes it much longer. So I'll show you a demo of that now on my neck. There it is long, and then I'm just going to pull the cord and there it is much shorter. And now I'm going to demonstrate how to wear this as a bracelet. So you would just simply take it and wrap it around your wrist until maybe there's a little bit, and then you can just take this part, pull it tighter, and pull the bead until it feels a little snug. And then just simply take the pendant and bring it to the front, if that's how you prefer to wear it. And just kind of play around with this until it feels comfortable. So this is kind of a looser look. Sometimes if I don't want the pendant to move around, what I do is I just take it and I put it underneath all of the cords and bring it around maybe twice. And then it kind of gives it a more solidified look. So the sea glass comes in different sizes. These ones over here are small. These I would say are medium-sized ones over here. And these are larger. And something that sea glass naturally has is the more it's been tumbled, you get a frostier look. But often there's some parts that are still a little bit shiny. They're very smooth, but you'll get this beautiful blend of shininess and frostiness in the sea glass. So when you're choosing a necklace, please choose what size you'd like, the small, medium, or large. As well, you're able to select the hardware and the cord color if you'd like, or I'm happy to choose it on your behalf if you don't select that. So this one over here is gold hardware. So you have it at the ends here and over here on the pendant, and it's a light brown cord. You can have a look and see what other colors I offer: silver, gold, copper, pewter, or brass. And in regards to the cord, I have an off-white, light brown, dark brown, black, and a multicolor neutral cord. I'm going to give you a tip on maintaining your sea glass jewelry. So sea glass has a frostiness to it, and what I love to do is just put a drop or two of a vegetable oil, and I put a few drops of lavender in mine over here. You don't have to do that, but I just like to have a bit of a nice pleasant scent. And look at the difference between the two different green sea glass. I hope you enjoyed these tips.